What's up guys? In today's video, we will talk about one of the most affordable projectors with Android TV 11.0 operating system. Honestly, I'm very excited about this projector because I haven't seen an Android TV on $100 projectors yet. You can buy this one for only $84 with a coupon code on Amazon now. Other features besides Android TV include native 1080p resolution, 7200 lumens or 230 ANSI Brightness, dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 support. Okay, let's talk about the projector in detail and start with unboxing. By the way, it is called Towond. You know the projector comes in a very simple box, and there's no even company logo on it. Inside the box is a projector, packed in protective foam. A user manual and another cardboard box with accessories such as power cable, HDMI cable and remote control. So the package contents are pretty modest. However, I cannot complain about this because of the budget price of the projector. Finally, we can see the company logo Towond on the projector. There is also 1080p Full HD logo, IR receiver and a lens on the front. On the side, we have an audio output port, AV input port, TF card slot, HDMI port and a USB port. The back panel has a second infrared receiver, power connector and speaker. On the right side, there is another speaker or a vent window. We will check it out a bit later. We can also use the control buttons on the top panel, such as return, left, OK, right, input source and power. This small knob is responsible for a trapezoidal correction. To adjust the focus, you need to twist the knob around the lens. Finally, let's take a look at the bottom. First, there is a sticker with a model number, so the full name of the projector is Towond M8E. Then you can use a kickstand to raise the front of the projector. There is also a tripod mount, so you can install the projector on it. By the way, I saw in the user manual that there is a dust cover at the bottom, but it looks like you need to remove the sticker to open it. I don't want to do this now. You should also know that the Towond is pretty compact and a lightweight projector. Its dimensions are 218 by 180 by 90 mm. The weight is 1205 grams. In addition, I like its color combination of white and gray, as well as textured front panel. That's very good for a budget projector. Now let's turn it on and look at the main feature, Android TV. So the Towond projector really runs on Android operating system. However, it is not an Android TV. I am very disappointed. I have seen this system many times on other budget projectors, and it is definitely not an Android TV. In the settings, we can see Android system version 11, while the launcher is called Whale TV. Anyway, I think it is good to have a smart system on the budget projector, right? By the way, you need to manually adjust the trapezoid and focus before using the projector. So, on the home screen, we can see installed applications such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus and Dyson. There are also recently viewed apps, Your Cinema and Global News on the home screen. Then we can go to the apps screen. Among the pre-installed applications on the projector are App Store, Miracast Receiver, File Manager, Bluetooth Speaker, YouTube, WPS Projection, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Air Screen, Netflix and Kodi. There are also video and music sections. But first, we need to connect the projector to a Wi-Fi network to see the content in them. Let's do this. Go to the settings. Now open Wi-Fi menu, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password from it. Done. Now we can see the video and music on the home screen. Okay, let's go back to the settings menu. I have already shown you the Wi-Fi settings, and we will talk about Bluetooth a little later. The projection settings include projection mode, 4-point Keystone correction, zoom and reset. We can also read about the projector. Then you can change the date and select the language. Finally, you can reset the projector to factory defaults. Another settings menu has network and internet, Bluetooth, apps, and device preferences. So to summarize, it is good that the budget projector has a smart system, but you should know that it is not Android TV. Either way, there is Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and you can download other apps through the App Store. The Towond projector supports dual-band Wi-Fi as well as mobile screen mirroring. Let's check it out. First, there is a Miracast receiver on the projector, but it is only for Android devices. If you have an iPhone, like me, you need to open Air Screen. Now, open the camera on your smartphone and scan QR code from the projection. The phone will be automatically connected to the projector. Finally, open the screen mirroring menu on your phone and select the projector. That's it. I also noticed the Bluetooth speaker app on the projector. I want to try it. So once you have opened this app, you need to take your phone, go to the Bluetooth menu and select the projector. Now just turn on the music on your phone and it will play through the projector's built-in speakers. You know, I'm surprised by the sound quality of the built-in speaker. The Towond projector has a 5.4 watt speaker with 360 degrees stereo surround sound. The volume level is very good, and the sound quality is really decent for a budget projector. Talking about the noise level of the Towond projector, I wouldn't say it is very loud, but not quiet either. It is about the same as other budget LCD projectors, 49 decibels nearby, and 45 decibels at 1 meter. Finally, let's move on to image quality. This is an ultra-budget projector, but it has 1080p native resolution. The picture is pretty clear, with no heavy blurring or pixelization. The Towond projector has a contrast ratio of 5000 to 1, which isn't much, but the colors are very good. Although the brightness of the projector is only 230 ANSI or 7200 lumens, I think that's enough for watching video in a dark room. As for a bright room, I think it is better not to use a projector. It is almost impossible to watch or play games in a room with the lights on, but some movies and sports matches are fine.
Just here to steal your multi-million-dollar military-grade whirlybird. That one squirts away from Smith, throws it down to second, and a tag on Hoskins to finish off this first inning. That one squirts away from Smith, throws it down to second, and a tag on Hoskins to finish off this first inning. Buddy, you're a ball.
Now you can watch some more videos on the Towond projector.
Let's go. You're stuck in the past, Kevin.
You got to stop it with all these Vikings and the ancient Greeks.
Freaks.
As well.
Something.
I have something, yeah.
Katie Kim is our new jackpot winner. Happy hunting, LA.
I definitely didn't get the part, so there's no need for that death stare. She's my jackpot.
That's a walk to Hoskins and the first base runner for the Brewers.
2-ball, 2-strike count to Yelich. The pitch. Swung on, hit in the air to left center, deep, heading back.
Contrasting styles between those two castles. Thompson, keeping the dribble, Rowe, running into Castleton's second attempt.
We'll see. He's got a couple of goals in the last FA Cup tie here between these two, which United won 3-2.
Better find your way around.
Be careful, buddy. Something's not right. Damn it! It's the Bullets!
You know, at first, I was very excited about this projector, because I thought it was the most affordable projector with Android TV on the market. However, while the projector really runs Android OS, it is not an Android TV. Anyway, it is still one of the most affordable projectors with Android smart system and built-in apps such as YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, etc. I'm really surprised by the speaker quality, and you can even use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker for your phone. The image quality is also good for a budget projector. On the other hand, the brightness is not very high, so it is better to use it only in a dark room. Overall, the Towond is a decent projector, especially for its price of only $84 on Amazon right now. Thank you for watching, see you soon!